Did you know some indoor plants not only look good but also can clean the air you breathe? Thanks to NASA Clean Air study, we had discovered that some plants can remove toxin from the air like formaldehyde, benzene or carbon monoxide, which are very hazardous. Let's dive into the top air purifying plant that need to be in your space. First up is spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. This one is the classic. It is super easy to care for and can tolerate a lot of neglect, making it perfect for beginners. Spider plant is known for its ability for removing the toxins like formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide. Plus, also it is pet friendly, so you don't have to worry if your furry friend decided to nibble on the leaf. Next is the snake plant, Sansevieria, and also known as mother-in-law tongue. This plant is the powerhouse of purifying the air. Not only it absorbs the toxin like formaldehyde, but also toluene and xylene. But it is also one of the few plants that can convert CO2 into oxygen at night, so it is perfect fit for your bedroom while sleeping, for giving you better and deep sleep. And the third one is peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Not only this plant is gorgeous with its white bloom, but is also an amazing air purifier like the other plants in the list. Peace lily can also remove the mold spore from the air, making it ideal for bathroom and damp areas. They can also tackle the common indoor pollutant like formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide. But just be careful while keeping peace lily in your house, because the leaves are toxic to your furry friends, so keep them away from your pets like cats and dogs. The next one is Areca Palm, Dipsyn luterescens, the another champion of air purifier plants. This beautiful tropical plant, often called as a natural humidifier, it releases the moisture into the air, which can help to improve indoor humidity, especially during the dry months. It also has the ability to filter out formaldehyde, xylene and toluene, which make it fantastic all-rounder plant for purifying the air, for improving indoor air quality. Lastly, we will talk about the aloe vera plant. You may know it for its soothing gel, but aloe vera is also a great air purifier. I have also created a reel on aloe vera gel, so do check it out after this video. It also removes the toxin from the air like formaldehyde and benzene, but also serving as a cute low maintenance plant for your windowsill. Plus, you can use the gel straight from the plant for your skincare and burn. Even Cleopatra used to use this, so it is truly a magical plant. With this 5 air purifying plant in your home, you will be breathing a fresh air with no time. They are not only purifying your space, but also giving you a touch of nature to your home decor. So what you are waiting for? Go green and let this plant to do their hard work for cleaning the air for you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and happy planting. Plant with Komal.